I feel sad today.
Mom helps Tom a lot.
Let me help you, Tom.
Yeah.
There, all set.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Nobody helps me.
There you go, Tom.
Thank you. Thanks, Brasna. Maybe they love Tom more.
Emma, what's wrong?
I don't want to go to school today.
It's okay, you can talk to me.
Why? Why is everything about Tom? Emma could not stop thinking. I feel lonely. This is fun. This is fun. Everyone likes Tom.
How was your day?
It was great, Dad. We had fun at school. Then everyone laughed.
That is funny.
Nobody notices me. Emma felt upset. We look happy here. We look happy here. Maybe they love Tom more.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. What is wrong?
I miss him. I think Mom and Dad love Tom more.
Tell me everything. Tom needs more help because he is younger.
Maybe Grandma is right. Narrator. The next day was special.
Welcome, everyone. We are about to begin. Thank you for being here.
I hope I do well. You came. We're here. We wouldn't miss it.
Of course we came.
We are proud of you.
Great job, Emma.
You did wonderful.
Excellent work.
What is this? The box was full of memories. I love you.
I love you, sweetie.
We love you too, Emma. We love you too.
We love you too.
Thanks, Mom and Dad.
We'll always be here for you.